Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use AlfaOBD for your RAM 1500. This powerful software lets you dive deep into your truck systems, offering advanced diagnostics and customization options. It's designed for Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, and Jeep vehicles, including your Ram 1500. To get started, you'll need the AlfaOBD application and a compatible OBD-II interface, like an OBD-Link MX Plus or a similar device. First, download the AlfaOBD application onto your preferred device, whether it's an Android phone or a Windows laptop. Next, locate your Ram 1500 OBD-II diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard, and plug in your interface. Once connected, open the AlfaOBD app. You'll then select your exact Ram 1500 model from the vehicle list to establish communication with your truck's computer. With AlfaOBD, you can perform many useful functions. Easily read and clear diagnostic trouble codes from different modules, helping you troubleshoot issues. You can also enable or disable various features, like activating your fog lights as daytime running lights or adjusting the horn honk duration. Furthermore, it allows you to modify vehicle settings, such as correcting your speedometer after changing tire sizes or adjusting gear ratios. Before making any changes, always create a backup of your vehicle's current configuration. This is a crucial step for safety, allowing you to revert if needed. Ensure you fully understand what each setting does before you modify it, as incorrect changes can affect vehicle operation. Finally, always disconnect your OBD-II interface properly from both the vehicle and the application once you've finished your tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.